to resolve the trading disabled issue on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to resolve the trading disabled issue on MetaTrader 5, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your MetaTrader 5. So the first reason might be that your account is not funded yet. When you first open a live trading account, brokers typically require you to add funds before you can place trades. If you have just registered and haven't deposited money yet, that's most likely why trading is blocked. Go ahead and fund the account, and the restriction should be lifted. The second issue might be glitches or corrupted app data. Sometimes, if the app itself is the issue, if you've already deposited but still can't trade, you got to clear the app's cache or reinstall it. To do that, you need to tap and hold on to your MetaTrader 5 and then go with the app info. Once you're on your app info, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. If you're using your iPhone, you can go and select the application on your settings and then offload the app and again reinstall it. After that, you can go back to your MetaTrader 5 and your problem might be fixed. But if it's still not, then just simply wait for 24 hours, because some trading sections aren't opened 24/7. Simply wait until the market reopens to continue trading. By checking these three things, your account funding, the app's condition, and the market hours, you can actually solve the trading disabled issue on your MetaTrader 5. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.